Hey everyone, I'm Nate from mbark. I am excited to talk about our server-driven UI system designed to help you ship instant updates to your native mobile app. mbark gives you the ability to remotely control your UI across all platforms, iOS and Android at the same time. Everything from a screen's layout to the components a user can interact with and how your app responds to those interactions is determined by a single response from our platform. This gives you a greater range of flexibility. You can use our platform as a screen designer or a CMS, provide highly personalized paywalls or sandbox features, and let individuals across your organization provide updates. In this video, I want to demonstrate in real time how easy it is to add the mbark framework and server-driven UI to your iOS application. If you'd like to follow along, please make sure to have XCode installed. The first step is to open a browser window. Go to mbark.co and tap on the Get Started link. You'll be taken to a template chooser, which will give you options you can easily customize. Let's choose the short intro template. We'll next sign up for a free trial account. Once you sign up, you'll be emailed a magic link you can use to log in. Logging in takes us to Screen Studio, where we'll see a user flow created from the template we chose. Let's open up the first screen and make a few changes. That's perfect. This flow is ready to publish. After we publish, we're taken to an installation helper. Let's keep this tab open as it will help us set up mbark in our XCode project. We're now going to switch to XCode and follow the instructions found in the Launching User Flows tutorial. The link is posted below. We'll start by creating a new iOS project in XCode. We'll integrate the mbark SDK by using the Swift Package Manager. The location for our package is listed below. Now that we have the SDK downloaded and our remote user flow published, the next step is to connect our app to the mbark platform. Let's do this by setting up a property list file called mbark-info. Here we'll add two rows. The first, API_key, will contain the API key we received on the installation helper page. The second, remote_config_ID, will house our partner ID. Let's next open up the app delegate. At the top of the delegate, let's import mbark. Near the end of the application did finish launching method, let's initialize the SDK. We'll do this by calling mbark.initialize. Now we'll open up the main view controller for our app. In the viewDidAppear method, we'll launch our user flow. Before launching a user flow, we should tell mbark to start tracking user interactions. Collecting this data will help you know how many users are completing your flow and what updates are most effective. We'll do this by adding mbark.trackFlowStart. Tracking will automatically wrap up once a user completes a user flow, but you can also manually end tracking by calling mbark.trackFlowEnd. This is especially helpful when manually tracking events outside of mbark UI. Next, we'll present our server-driven screens by calling mbark_userFlow, passing in a starting view ID. That's the screen ID we'd like to start our flow on. If a screen has navigation actions assigned to it, it will automatically handle navigation for you until the workflow completes. If our screen has been initialized successfully, we can present it like any other view controller. Launching the iOS simulator will see our app presenting our server-driven UI. Let's go back to Screen Studio. We'll make a change and republish. The next time we launch our app, we'll see our latest changes. No coding, no release cycle, no App Store reviews. Instant updates delivered to your users across your mobile platforms. What we've done here is remarkable. We've demonstrated the speed of updating server-driven UI. We've added feature and design consistency across mobile platforms. We've built once and deployed instantly. There are many ways mbark can enhance your app. You can use it as a screen designer or CMS, improve paywall and in-app purchase flows, direct campaigns and messaging across all your platforms, delegate ownership of app features to individuals and groups inside your organization. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions about mbark, please feel free to reach out through our website or ping me on our Discord channel. The link is listed below.